Here's how to capture frame from video on iPhone. So in this tutorial, I'm going to exactly show you how you can capture frame from video on your iPhone device. So make sure you watch this video till the end to exactly know what to do. So it is very easy to capture a frame on your iPhone device from a video. So I'm just going to show you two ways on how you can do that. The first method is very simple and easy, and it's the easiest method that you can do to capture a frame, and I would suggest doing that because it's very simple. Just go head over to your gallery and open up the video, and here, as you can see, for me this is the video. So I'm just gonna play it and find the place that I want to capture. So yeah, this place right over here, it looks really nice. So once you're here and you can see the capture and the frame is very capturable and you want to take the picture of it, so you just simply need to screenshot it. And if you don't know how to screenshot, just simply press your upper volume button with your power button, and it's same for the Android devices. So yeah, just in case just you're wondering, but on your iPhone device, just go ahead and press your power and volume button, and here, as you can see, it will do this. And yeah, here we go, and I'm just gonna cut this out right over here and cut this out right over here. And just keep in mind, no pixels will be cut it out. It will be the original quality, and you can just cut it up just like that and then press done. Once you do this, let me go ahead and check the photo. And here we are. As you can see, it's literally the picture that we did, and no pixels has been broken whatsoever. And the second method is just using an app, and it pretty much does the same work, but it requires payments and everything. But if you want to do it within an app, just go ahead and download Frame Grabber, and this is the app that I would suggest for this, because you can just simply find the video for it and directly use it inside it, and you can just directly screenshot the video just like I did. And yeah, this is pretty much it on how you can capture frame from video on an iPhone. So I hope this video actually helped you out. Please do leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe to this channel. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.